Naguluhan.
Sir, kasi I always, at the time, I cheat my girlfriend anyway.
Yeah, evidently you did.
Yes. Yeah. I admit. Which is, mahal na mahal ko yung girlfriend ko eh.
I don't believe you.
You must believe me.
Yes, I do.
But anyway, she's Ilocana from Ilocos. That's why I know how to... a little bit. I can speak Ilocano. But
Okay, Butch.
I can understand Ilocano.
Butch.
Yes, sir.
Where is your girlfriend right now?
She's with me.
Over there?
Yes.
Okay. What is she doing right now?
She's working.
Do you think she's listening to us?
No, for sure now.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because if she will listen at this program, she will kill me straight away.
What if she's listening right now?
I hope she's not.
Oh my God! So there's a possibility that she's listening right now.
No. There's no chance.
Ay, intindihan ako. Do you have any plans of telling your girlfriend about this?
No.
Why not?
Sir, mahirap mawala yung girlfriend ko ngayon. You know, for better, for worse, nandun siya palagi sa likod ko.
So bakit mo ginawa sa kanya yung ginawa mo?
I don't know. It's just like what kind of... I can explain what kind of mentality that I used at that time. Hindi ko alam. It's just like a paranoia.
Ano paranoia? Hindi paranoia. Kamanya ka niyan. Utot mo. Ang paranoia, hindi ganyan.
Whatsoever, sir. Kahit ano pang term ang sabihin niyo dyan. Pero, admitted ako na nagkasala ako sa girlfriend ko.
Thank you so much for the admission.
Yeah.
Oo, at least, inamin mo. Meron kasing iba, di ba?
So this is time that I can at least talk to somebody who can understand me. Kasi gusto ko ng i-voice out eh. Every time na matutulog kami, wag iniisip ko yung nangyari sa akin na nagbakasyon ako sa Pilipinas.
Oh.
So parang, yung feel ng conscience nandun eh.
Okay.
Kasi sa sobrang pagmamahal ko sa girlfriend ko, yung masaya ako bago matulog na bago mo ipipikit yung mata ko, masaya ako nakikita siya. Pagising ko, masaya pa rin ako sa kanya.
Sana totoo yan, sir, ha?
Yun nga siya natututunan ko sa TLC mo eh.
Alright. Butch, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
What if the next time you visit the Philippines, you get to bump again with the girl? You know, you like cross paths, you know. You know what I'm saying right here? You know?
Yes.
Alright, what I'm saying is, what if you're here and, you know, you surround the mall and like that, stuff like that, and...
Hindi na siguro, sir?
You know.
Hindi na siguro, sir.
Are you sure?
I can say 100%, I'm sure.
That's my point, man. I mean, you're not even sure. I have a big
question for you, Papa Jack.
Ano na?
I have a big question for you.
Don't worry, I have a big answer for you.
Okay. At this point in time, we have still communication. And I don't know how to say goodbye to her.
Well, just say goodbye. There's no other word but goodbye.
That's it?
Yeah.
Should I explain that I have a girlfriend and I cheated her?
You never told her?
No.
Oh my God, what an A.
Yes, I am.
What an A. What a J.
With double S.
What a J-E-R-K.
Yes.
Well, just like the song goes, there's no easy way.
And to think, Papa Jack, she always listens to her program, even she's in England.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
So you're saying she might be listening to me right now?
Possibly, yes.
Oh my! You are breaking her heart. It's time for her to say sorry to her. Say goodbye.
Okay.
What is her name? First name.
Her name is Yasmin.
Yasmin.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Say sorry. Say thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
First of all, yes, I'd like to say sorry for everything that I have done to you. I didn't tell you that I have a girlfriend here. I cheated her, and now I feel the conscience in my life. And because you offered before that you want to marry me, and I said no because at that time I have a girlfriend. I lied to you and everything. And this is the only way I can say and I can voice out. And I use Papa Jack.
You use me? You're a user.
Yes. And you're planning to go here by December. For me, for the sake of ourselves, to be fair with you and for me and with my girlfriend, wag na lang. Kasi masyado ko nang nasaktan yung girlfriend ko. I admit, kasalanan ko lahat.
Tama.
I didn't tell you na inamin ko na may girlfriend ako. Nagsinungaling ako sa'yo, nagsinungaling ako sa girlfriend ko and sa sarili ko.
Manyak kasi.
So, ngayon, inaamin ko na lahat. Ayoko na mag-suffer. It happens to me way back before. Ang tagal na nangyari sa akin. You can imagine, Papa, I have a girlfriend for about 9 years. Pero it didn't work out. And siguro at that time na-karma ako. And I don't want to happen again. Sorry kung umaasa ka na magiging tayo. I'm really, really sorry for that. Sorry din kung sa mga nangyari sa atin. What kind of term? Di ko pwede sabihin, in-abuse kita eh. Sige lang siguro, Papa Jack.
Alright. Butch!
Yes, sir.
Sa mga kakabukas lang po ng radyo, our caller for Wild Confessions, mga kaibigan, is all the way from
France?
France, mga kaibigan. Ganito, ano? Would you please lend me an ear?
Yes.
Sumabit ako doon sa ilon niya. Nabilaw ka ba? Okay. This is what I'm trying to say. Mag-English muna ako. Pagbigyan niyo ako, ha? Makakain ako ng bacon mamaya. Para ma-concretize kung mayroon mang ganyang word. Ganun na. Butch!
Yes, sir.
It doesn't make any sense kahit na magaganyan ka sa programa ko kung hindi mo sa kanya sasabihin yan.
Kanina, sir?
It's a girl.
Sa girl? Okay.
Di ba? Even
yes,
if you say sorry, di ba, you let your heart out, di ba, you be transparent, kung totoo ka man, I'll never know. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I just really hope na totoo ka. Pero, it will not make any sense kung hindi mo sa kanya sasabihin yan.
That's right, sir.
Alright, so please do something, sabihin sa kanya. If she's planning to go there just to, just to visit you, be with you, planning a marriage with you, di ba, plan on marrying you, meaning you have a very big impact on her life. She might be...
Nag-offer pa siya magka-baby. And I said,
yun
no.
Eh. Di ba? Yan. She might be a very itchy girl.
Possibly, yes.
Yeah, but for all we know, she liked doing with you. So that's not a crime. All right?
But the crime is I lied to my girlfriend. That's the problem.